Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorial. In this video, I am going to discuss about another example of probability distribution function table. In that probability distribution function table, we can determine the value of the k and smallest value of x such that probability of x less than or equal to x is greater than 1 by 2. And this is the given tabular column, and this is the previous examination question in the year J into Anantapur examination, March 2021 question paper. So coming to the solution, and first find out the value of the k. So given that the values of x are x is equal to 0 to 7 and its values are corresponding probability values, and this capital F is the distribution function. From the definition of the distribution function is equal to probability of x less than or equal to x. So therefore, we know that sigma x is equal to 0 to 7. Now here x is varies from 0 to 7. Probability of x is equal to 1. Sum of all the probabilities is equal to 1. So now we are on LHS side, substitute different values of x. So that are x is equal to 0 to 7. The LHS term is probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus Armstrong probability of 7 is equal to 1. And substitute the corresponding probability values. We get 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 0. On LHS side, or adding all the terms, k square plus 2k square, 3k square plus 7k square is 10k square plus k plus 2k, 3k, 5k, 8k plus k, 9k. Sorry, this is equal to 1. So this one is coming to the LHS side. We have minus 1 is equal to 0. And this is the characteristic equation. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the characteristic equation. The roots of the characteristic equation are minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, now here b value is 9, a value is 10 and c value is minus 1. So using this equation, find out the k value, characteristic roots of this equation. So k is equal minus 9 plus or minus square root of b square. 9 square value is 81 minus 4 into a. A value is 10, c value is minus 1. Here minus is there, minus into minus plus 4 into 10, 40 divided by 2 into a. A value is 10. So 2 into 10, 20. So that is equal minus 9 plus or minus square root of 81 plus 40, 121 divided by 20. So that is equal minus 9 plus or minus square root of 121 is 11 divided by 20. So therefore k is equal minus 9 plus 11 divided by 20. So minus 9 plus 11 is 2 by 20. So 2 by 20 is 1 by 10. And another value of k is minus 9 minus 11 divided by 20. So minus 20 divided by 20 is equal to minus 1. So therefore the values of the k are here. K is equal to 1 by 10 and k is equal to minus 1. Since k cannot be negative, k value cannot be negative. Since the value of k cannot be negative, so therefore the value of k must be positive. And what is the positive values of k here? K is equal to 1 by 10. This is the first bit explanation. And the second bit is determine smallest value of x such that probability of x less than or equal to x greater than 1 by 2. Now here the substitute different values of k. X is equal to 0 to 7. For all values of k, find out the probability of x less than or equal to x value. That value is greater than 1 by 2. At what value of x probability of x less than or equal to x is greater than 1 by 2. That is the smallest value of x. So this one can be determined using trial and error method. Therefore, first substitute x is equal to 0. First calculate probability of x less than or equal to 0. Probability of x less than or equal to 0 means probability of x is equal to 0. So given that at x is equal to 0, what is the probability value? 0. Next substitute x is equal to 1. Probability of x less than or equal to 1 means probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. Probability of x is equal to 0, probability is 0. Probability of x is equal to 1, probability is k. What is the k value here? 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 means 0.1. So 0.1 is less than 1 by 2. So condition is not satisfied. So x is equal to 1 is not a smallest value. Next check it. X is equal to 2. So probability of x less than or equal to 2. So probability of x less than or equal to 2 means probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. So now here what are its corresponding probabilities? 0k, 2k. So k plus 2k, 3k. But k is equal to 10. 3 divided by 10. 3 divided by 10 is 0.3. So which is less than 1 by 2. Here also condition is not satisfied. So x is equal to 2 is not a smallest value of x. Let's check it. Another value of x which is x less than or equal to 3. So x less than or equal to 3 means probability of x is equal to 0 to probability of x is equal to 3. So its corresponding probabilities are these: k plus 2k, 3k, 3k plus 2k, 5k, 5k. But k is equal to 1 by 10. Substitute the k value, 5 divided by 10. So 5 divided by 10 means 0.5. So 0.5 is equal to 0.5 is not greater than 1 by 2. Here also condition is not satisfied. So which is less than 1 by 2. So x is equal to 3 is also not a smallest value of x. Next check it. Another value of x. Probability of x less than or equal to 4. So probability of x less than or equal to 4 means probability of x is equal to 0 to plus probability of x is equal to 4. 5k plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k. 5k plus 3k, 8k. k is equal to 1 by 10, substitute the k value. So 8 divided by 10 is 0.8. So 0.8 is greater than 1 by 2. So now here the condition is satisfied. So the smallest value of x is 4.